Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am Hassan here to share with you a particular things, an application which name I will also say you, and that will give you a golden opportunity to practice your spoken English, and that's also help you to improvement your spoken English and also help you to become a fluent speaker. Hi friend, my name is Hassan Malik and I am a English learner, and if you visit my channel very first time, I humble requested to you, please subscribe my channel, like my video, because your one subscribe and one like really pushing me to make this kind of video and also help me to learn this language. Yes friend, without delay, let's go back to the video. Today's point is I will sharing with you an application name, which application I also use. This is a free application, you no need to pay a single rupee for this application. This application provide you co-learner, even co-learner will different part of India. Okay, different part of India, you can connect with them and you can also practice with them in daily basis. That will also help you to maintain your daily speaking practice and improvement your speaking quality and fluency, and also help you to be a confident speaker. Yes friend, I tell you the application name is sivi. This application name is sivi. You can search this application on Google Play Store and download this application. After downloading this application, you need to open this application and add your Gmail account and your mobile number. CV application send you your mobile number, a 4-digit code, and you need to verify this code. After that you will go for speaking. Okay, your CV application will be ready. After that CV application provide you your co-learner from co-learner, one of co-learner you can from those co-learner from those co-learner you can select co-learner and connect with them and also speak with them, and you can connect with multiple co-learner in another time. Okay, and co-learner who are also beginner, also in beginner level, and a lot of co-learner who achieve the fluency, they also guide you and also help you, and you can also be confident to speak in English language, and also it's also interesting, and you also come to know different place of India and different things when they share, and you can also ask him what is what their popular place for tourist and religious place, and also about this. And this application really help you to practicing daily practicing, and this application have another two section. One section is grammar section. In this section you can, this application have two section. One section helping you to improvement your grammar and grammatical skill. There have a many grammar rule and vocab and other things that you need to speak when you speak, and when you become an advanced level speaker, that will help you to make your English too much correct and too much accurate. And there was a confidence boosting sector, means there the another section there have a AI English teacher. Okay, this teacher, when you speak with this teacher, or when you not able to speak, you will delay to speak, and what don't come in, what did not come into your mind, that's time this AI teacher give you clue and also help you to speaking fluently. These are all these things about this application. Today's video's main point is there was an application available on Play Store named CV. Okay, and this application offering you co-learner for English practicing, and there have a grammar section and there have a AI teacher. You just need to download this application, log in this application, and you can practice with this application. These are all these things in today's video. I hope this video really helping you to practice spoken English and also become a fluent learner. So thank you, bye bye.